How to fix speaker issue on iPhone. First is by making sure that your speaker is clean. So what you're gonna do is clean the speakers of your phone using a cotton ball or tissue or whichever tool that you have. Make sure to add some alcohol on it and make sure not to use water since it will evaporate in a later time or it takes more time to evaporate. So I'll suggest to use the alcohol since it will evaporate faster. And then afterwards, what you're going to do is go to your control center and then click on this button right here and make sure to choose the iPhone speaker right here. So you need to click on that one and then try to test your speakers out. Again, if this still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is you should go to your nearest Apple or Mac center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix speaker issue on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.